If you want to make $40,000, you're going to need a credit repair funnel. And in this video, I'm going to break down the power of a well-structured credit repair funnel and exactly how to optimize your funnel so that you can grow your credit repair business and make more money. The biggest difference from a website and a funnel is, number one, a website basically like going inside a house and it has multiple doors. But imagine going inside of a house that only has one door. So either you could go in that, you can't go anywhere else. You could go either back out the door you came or you go to the next door. You can't go to 3 or 4 different doors. So for example, when you credit repair website, you go here to this door, you go this door, you go this door, you go this door, and all these things lead you to different actions and different things, right? But when we're talking about a funnel, it's only one door you could go through. You can only go here. So that's the next step. So a funnel increase the conversion rate, meaning that every page needs to have a goal. The goal of the first page is to collect information and qualify. What we're saying is that 40% of everyone that comes here, we're going to collect information and qualify them. Then the second goal of a credit repair funnel is to book an appointment. And understand this is what our funnel is. It could be different credit repair funnels. I'm just going to share with you the funnel that we made around in 30 days. So second goal of this funnel is to have 60% of people book an appointment. They schedule an appointment. Doesn't mean they're actually showing up to the appointment. They're just scheduling an appointment. Out of the 80% of people that show up, my clients are closing 25% on a $1,800 credit repair. Now, a lot of people will tell you that funnels are about the pictures and images. I mean, I will tell you the shittiest looking funnels usually do the best. Without the colors, without Lamborghinis, without any of the bullshit, does the best. A well-structured credit repair funnel, it means it's a funnel that has high conversion, meaning that this opt-in page right here, no matter how many people you send here, 40% of those people will do the purpose of the page, which is opt-in, okay? 40%. So it doesn't matter if your colors are messed up. It doesn't matter if you got misspelled words. It doesn't matter if your pictures are horrible. If 40% of people put in their information, great page, great opt-in page, okay? Out of 40% of those people, the second page job is you want 40% or higher. And this is our numbers. I don't know what everyone else is doing, but we're doing this, okay? 40% higher. Now, after that, people that come here, 60% and higher. 60% higher, okay? Meaning 60% or more are going to book appointment. Now, if you have a credit repair funnel and your conversion rates isn't similar to this, like not this high, we have a 4-day credit repair sales challenge. I'm going to show you guys exactly how we're able to get this conversion and even higher inside our credit repair funnels. Why is this important? It allows you to identify what's breaking inside your credit repair business. For example, if you're not getting enough leads, obviously it's your opt-in page. It's fucked up. If you're not getting enough appointments, you're booking appointments fucked up. You know exactly in what stage that you need to optimize. Once you understand what's going on, you're able to change it and make adjustments, increase it, make it better. Now, I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step breakdown on exactly how we turn this landing page. You got to look at the numbers. That's how you understand everything, okay? So let's break this down, right? For 30 days, we advertised. We sent 477 people to this opt-in page. Now, if you don't know how to generate leads or how to send people to an opt-in page with paid ads, make sure you click the link below and register for our 4-day credit repair sales challenge. I go through everything, how to get leads, how to optimize these funnels, everything like that. So 477 page views came in. 40% of those people became leads, which means that at the end of the day, we had 191 leads. These people came over here, bam. Not everyone booked an appointment. So we went from 477 page views. This got 40% of those people to become leads, giving us information. Out of 191 people, we got 60% to actually book an appointment, confirm an appointment. So let's look at that. So that means that we got around 115 appointments booked. All right, understand that book doesn't mean they showed up. It just means that they booked a damn appointment, okay? Let's be clear. A lot of these people didn't show up like that. Like, you know, it just means they booked an appointment. Out of 115 that booked an appointment, we had 80% of those people show up, okay? How did we get 80% of the people to show up? Because what we do is we have someone that goes in, calls those booked appointments, make sure that they sign up for credit monitoring, meaning they actually have to pay for the trial, which is $1, before we even accept the call. Now, when we do that, we have an 80% show up rate. So with that being said, meaning that we had 92 people to actually show up to the call. From there, we're closing at 25% on average, a $1,800 credit repair package. So let's do the math on that. So that's about 23 clients for the month. 23 times 800, and you're looking at $41,400. All right. Now let's take stupid simple funnel that did that 41K in 30 days because we just looked at the numbers. Now that you understand this, let me break down to you guys some tips so that you can consistently hit these numbers or even more. So you're going to come up with a couple issues. Hold on. So a couple things that's going to happen here, right? What if you can't get enough people to the opt-in page views? A couple things that you can do is increase your budget. Change your ad. Your ad might be garbage because the thing is, if you need 477 page views, increase your budget and create a better Facebook ad. Okay, that's number one. If you're not getting a high conversion on the opt-in page, you want to change your headline. Make sure whatever you're saying on the Facebook ad is congruent to the opt-in page. Okay. Number two, if your booking isn't 60% or higher, it's all about speed to lead. How fast are your automations reaching out to your leads to engage with them? And also, it's all about congruency. I mean, honestly, the biggest problem that I see that most people have is their offer, their messaging, everything is just incongruent. That's how you optimize your booking page. Optimize your show up rate. Simply, you got to have appointment setters call these people and make them sign up for credit monitoring before you speak to them. Once you do that, your show up rate is going to go 80 to 90%. Okay. Now, the best way to optimize your closing is by consistently learning, make them get on the Zoom call. You want to consistently look over your Zoom call sales. You want to train with a group. We have group sales training that we do like every other week. You want to practice objection handling, practice the questions that you ask. Now, if you want to get a part of a community, then I want y'all guys to click the link below, join the 5-day sales challenge. I'm going to teach y'all guys how to create a high ticket credit repair offer, how to get high quality leads that's coming in consistently, exactly how to optimize your funnel. And then I'm going to teach you guys on how to close high ticket credit repair as well. So all you have to do is click the link below and join us on the 4-day credit repair sales challenge. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you share, leave a comment, subscribe, tell your mama, tell your dad, tell somebody, you know what I mean? And have a wonderful day. Peace.